questions. Can you hear me now?
Yes,
Okay, good. So these questions we have, it says round up each number to the nearest dollar. So when it's talking about nearest dollar or nearest currency, any currency, it means to the
doesn't
nearest.
mean that it doesn't mean that it's supposed to be 49 and
Wait,
$49 40 cents.
yeah, yeah, 49,
Uh,
just $49. Okay, is that clear?
yes,
And this one, it would have been 50 if the number after the decimal is 5 and above. Okay,
okay,
then it will round up this digit to the next digit, which is going to in turn this 4 into 5. Exactly, because that's already 9. Exactly.
yes,
So this is going to be 49. But let's assume what we had. If what we had was 49.6 anything, maybe 62 or 6 of any number, to the nearest dollar is going to be $50. But if what we had initially was 47.67, then to the nearest dollar will be 48. Okay.
okay,
Yeah, this 7 is just gonna change to 8 because of this 6. But if what we had initially was 47.37, like we had it here as 37, so the 3 is not going to affect the 7, then our answer is going to remain 47. Okay.
okay,
Aha. Now, like the one that we had was 49.37. So the 3 is not up to 5. It cannot affect the 9. So definitely we stop at the 49. So that's to the nearest whole number or to the nearest currency. So for the second one, 86. This is 4 less than 5. Can you see this one? This is a
yeah,
4 that is less than 5. So definitely it's going to remain 86, which you got that one correctly. Then this third one is going to become 85. Okay.
okay,
It will become 85 and nothing, with the zero. We don't even need the zero because this is 5 and can affect this to turn to the next digit. Fortunately, the next digit is 5. So it looks as if it's this 5 that was shifted, but it's not. Okay, look at this 73 because this is 6. So it's going to affect the 3 to become 4. Exactly.
yes,
So that's going to be $74. Look at this 58. This 58 is going to change to 59 because the number here is 5. If it is anything 4 and below that is here, it will not affect it. Exactly.
yes,
So this is going to be 59. So I guess we got the 85, we got the 74. So I'm just trying to do all of the explanation so that you know. Then this is 96, but because this is 7, it's changing this to 7. Okay,
okay,
so this will be $97. And this is 3, so it cannot affect this 6. So this remains 66. While this is 9, it can affect the 4 to become 5, and this becomes $45. Then this is 22 because it's 1 that is next to it, you can affect it. So, and this is 98 because this is 4, it can affect it. So that's $98. And this is 458. Okay, let's start from here. This is $141 because the number after the decimal is 1, you can affect the 1. And this is going to be 546. 546. So I think you got all of those ones 141, 98, 22, 45. 5, 6, 2, 6, and 97. Then this one is 774, which is still the same as the value there. And this one is 458. 458. Wait a minute. Oh, there are some questions at the bottom. So this is 414, which is correct. And this is 726, which is correct. Then this is 45, number 5. Option number 6, number 6. You wrote 419 instead of 458, okay?
Yeah.
It should be 458, right?
Oh.
Yeah. So this one is 296. This one is 369. 9. Then this one is 364 because of the 5 there. So 364. Okay, the 9. This is the 419 that changed to 420. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So I think this is a good one. Which topic are you currently doing in your math?
Uh, we're basically still doing the same thing.
That is it place value?
Well,
Maybe you should check quickly.
we have still been doing rounding.
Rounding. Okay, rounding of numbers. Okay. Um. Okay, there is something I will need to. So since we're still working on rounding of numbers. Let me use it on the phone. So rounding. Technically, you follow the same method in all of the rounding. So let us assume you have this number like um, example, like you have 200 and no, not 200. You have 2,480. Or let me say you have 28,000. Okay, 673.827. And given this number, please just look at it. It says the instruction will be to round the number up to, let's say, a lot of degrees.
We
Round round the number to the following degrees. Hold on. To the following
we
degrees. Hold on, hold on, hold on. So the first one will be nearest 10. The next one will be nearest 100. And the next one will be option C, nearest 1,000. Then maybe nearest option D, question D now. So nearest 10,000. Nearest 10,000. Then it's not over option E, nearest um, tenth. Okay, let's say nearest whole number. Nearest whole number, okay? Option F, nearest tenth. Option G, nearest hundredths. Hundredths. No, hundredths. Then option A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Option H, we have something like nearest. Okay, not nearest. So one significant figure. Okay,
Okay.
we're going to do all of this. One significant figure. No. Then option high. So maybe two significant figures,
My screen.
which is SF. Okay, SF. And
Okay.
finally, I can say two decimal two decimal places. Okay,
Okay.
yeah. I want to round it up to two decimal places. Okay, now we have all of this to work with based on this given number. You know,
Bing,
we
bing,
can,
bing,
okay, let me not
bing.
make it too big like that. So I can try to put this in form of a table. Then I got something here to demarcate all of the answers. Yeah, this one, like this one, and
Bing, bing, bing,
this one. Mhm. And finally the last one. The last one here. So the next thing I'll just do is to space it out so that you can know that the answer will be at the front of each one. So now the one that says to the nearest 10, to the nearest 10, if we're running to the nearest 10, this is 10, okay?
Okay,
There are seven
then.
tens, and the number behind it is less than 5, so it doesn't affect the 7. So when we're writing the number, we just write 2, 8, 6, 7, 0. So the number becomes 28,670. There is no need of the point since we're not going there, okay?
Okay.
Then to the nearest 100, we stop on the 100. This is 673, okay? So we stop on 6. When we stop on 6, the number behind 6 is greater than 5, 5 and above, can turn this to the next digit, which will be 7. So to the nearest 100, this is going to become 28700. That is 28,000, 28,700. Okay. And
Okay.
again, there's no need for any of the points. Then the next
Next
one,
is 1,000.
yeah, nearest 10, nearest 1,000, right? 8,000.
Yeah,
So
there's
this,
no problem with it because 6
yeah,
is less than 8.
no, 6 and 6 is greater than 5. So any number 5 and above can affect this one, okay?
Okay.
So this is going to be 29,000, just 29,000. Then the next one say nearest 10,000. The tens of thousand, there are two tens of thousand there. So if we're stopping on these two, 8 can turn this to 3. Is that clear?
Yes.
Then we're going to have 30,000. Now, the nearest whole number means we should discard all of the decimals. So, with that, 8 can turn 3 to 4. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
So, 8 can turn the 3 to 4. So, this is going to become 28,674, right?
Yeah.
Good. So, and to the nearest tenth, we have tenth mean the first digit after decimal, okay?
Okay.
Yeah, so we're stopping on this 8. And the 2 cannot affect the 8, so we leave it like that. So our answer is going to be 28,673.8. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah, so, and the next one said nearest hundred. That is the second digit after decimal. So 100 is the second
Uh,
digit after decimal. So this is going to become 28,673.83 because 7 can power this to become the next digit. Then the next one that says one significant figures. Now, one significant figure. Which of the number is the most significant? Which of them? That is the highest place value. That is the tens of thousand, and
eight.
there are two tens of thousand there. Okay. The
Okay.
highest place value is the tens of thousand because this is thousand, this is hundred, this is tenth, and this is unit, tens, hundreds, thousands, and tens of thousands. So the value of these two is greater than the value of the 8, okay? The value of the 8 is just 8,000, while the value of the 2 is 20,000. So if we are 20,000, so to one significant figure, we are stopping on here, and this is going to give us, this one will change to 3, then it will become 30,000. So we're going to have, for that one, we have 30,000. So that means one significant figure for um, a 5-digit number is the same as rounding it up to the nearest 10,000. Then the one that says two significant figures, 1, 2. These are the two most significant figures. Those are the highest place values, okay?
Okay.
Then with that, we stop on the 8, and the 8 becomes 9. So that's going to be 29,000. So the 6 has powered the 8 to become 9, and you will see that that is the same thing as the nearest thousand. Then, oh, I said two decimal places. I put D there. Two decimal places. Let me change this to 2. So when I put two decimal places, so two decimal places simply mean two digits after the decimal, okay?
Okay.
So 1, 2. So, and that is the same as the nearest hundred. So this is going to become 286, 286 rather, 73, that's 28,673.83, okay? Exactly.
Yes, sir. So
Okay,
the
so
answer is 20,873.
yeah, that's 28,000.83.
Alright.
Is that clear now? So it's the same as the nearest hundred. these answers are the same, and this other one is the same as this one, while this one is the same as this one. Okay, so put it down, then I will give you something to try, okay?
Okay.
Yeah.